Welcome back, students. Let us start part 2 of national income. In this part, I am going to explain circular flow of national income. Circular flow of national income. Circular flow of income is the basic concept in macroeconomics. The circular flow of income refers to the process whereby an economy's money receipts and payments flow in a circular manner continuously through the time. So the income and expenditure, that is what, that receipts and payment which flows in the economy continuously, that is called as circular flow. Circular flow of income can be determined for the following. Number 1, two-sector economy, households and business firm. There are 3 points that we have to discuss under this: two-sector economy, three-sector economy and four-sector economy. Two-sector is the base. So first understand households and business firms are there in the two-sector economy. These are the 2 units. So Y is equal to C plus I. Y is income, C is consumption expenditure and I is investment expenditure. So consumption and investment is considered in the two-sector economy. In the three-sector economy, households, business firm and government sector. So one point is added here, government, because without government no economy exists or no country is there. In every country there is a role of the government. So here Y is equal to C plus I plus G. G is government expenditure. And four-sector economy, household, business firm, government and foreign sector. Foreign sector, that is X minus M, export minus import. These are the 3 sectors in the economy: two-sector, three-sector and four-sector. In the two-sector model, how the circular flow is happening, that we will see. It is in the two-sector model, households and business firms. These are the 2 sectors. It divides the diagram into 2 parts. The upper part represents the factor market and lower part represents the commodity market. Look at the diagram. In this diagram, households are providing land, labor, capital and enterprise to business firms, right? And then business firms are the production unit. So they produce goods and services and households are purchasing goods and services from them. So here goods and services flow from firms to households. In the inner side, look at the diagram here. The land, labor, capital and enterprise are provided by the household to the firm. So firms are giving factor income to the household in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit. So here money is flowing from firms to households. And then again households are spending money on goods and services. So here who is producing goods and services? Firms are producing goods and services. So households spend money on goods and services. So money is coming from household to firms. This is what consumption is equal to investment. C plus I. That is what we discuss. Y is equal to C plus I. C is consumption, I is investment. This is the two-sector economy. In the diagram, the factors of production flow from households to firm. The firm use these factors to produce goods and services required by the households. So, goods flow from households to firms and from firms back to the households. It is called product flows. In the same way, money flows from firms to household in the form of factor payment such as rent, wages, interest and profit. Households use this income to purchase goods and services. So, money flows from firms to households and from households back to the firm. It is called money flow. In the circular flow of income, production generates factor income which converted into expenditure. This flow of income continues as production is a continuous activity due to never ending human wants. It makes the flow of income circular. Look at the diagram, the same thing as I told, how the circular flow happens in the economy. And this is a production. Firm is called as a production unit, household is called as a consumption unit. Household consumes goods and services, firm produce goods and services. Firms use the factors of production in the process of production. They are land, labor, capital and enterprise. Households are the owners of the factors of production, and firms are giving payment in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit to the household. So money is flowing from firm to household, and again household spends money on goods and services they purchase from firms, so money is going back to firm. This is and this is a continuous process. There is no end because our wants are never ending. This is what you have to explain about the circular flow of income. This is only two sector economy, so you have to give the explanation and the diagram. Thank you.